Hello everyone, today we are going to fix SteelSeries Sonar not working on your computer. First, check your audio devices. Open the Sonar tab in SteelSeries GG. In the mixer page, make sure your headset or speakers are selected as the output device and your mic is set as the input device. If no devices are selected, Sonar may not work. Another important step is to update your audio drivers. Open Device Manager, expand the sound section, and update the drivers for your SteelSeries devices. You can also update your system audio drivers to make sure everything is compatible. If you still hear no sound, open the Mixer tab in Sonar and check that the volume sliders are not muted or turned down. Make sure Sonar is set as the default audio device in Windows Sound settings. If none of these steps solve the problem, you can try reinstalling Sonar by uninstalling SteelSeries GG completely and then installing it again. To do that, open the control panel by searching it in the Windows search bar and then clicking on Uninstall a Program. Here look for SteelSeries GG. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. This will delete all old files and can clear corrupted setups. If you still have issues after all these steps, you may need to contact SteelSeries support for more help. Thanks for watching.